Today gonna be a good day. Sunshine, lollipops, and I forgot the rest. Hey, Sonic. Yeah, truth or dare? Dare, not a bitch. Okay, I dare you to go lay on the train tracks and wait for a train to hit you.
No, it can't. It physically cannot.
Bruh, I have a life. Oh, yeah, true. Yeah, true. Okay, I'll do it.
No. Yeah. Where it is? Fine. I don't know where it is. Jeez. I'm just so tall. He's so tall. DJ, get it.
What? Well, I am on the tracks. I didn't know the loser was in the on homeless. You little bastard. Yeah, well, you little bastard. You're so small as hell. You want to say that to my face? Yeah, shit. Do it then. You little bastard. Because you're little, you bitch. Now you leave. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. Now I just gotta wait for the train. Wait. Why do I hear cars noises? Oh no. Wait. Oh no. No. Wait. No! No, don't do this to me! Oh, come on. Should we talk about this? I guess not. Okay, fine. Run me over. I don't care. I'm not afraid. Go ahead. Am I dead? Wait. Oh. Makes sense. Yeah. Oh, that was time to go home.